You can do it, Aaron. It's a shirt.
Yeah.
Yes, come on here. Here. Show it.
It's a pajama. It's a shirt.
No, that's a dress.
A dress.
Wow.
A dress.
What's on that print? What's this one?
It's a dog.
Wow.
What's this?
Oh my gosh.
It's a bag.
Yes. More?
It's a pajama. It's a bag.
Yes.
It's a bag.
What's that?
It's a shirt.
It's a shirt. Wow.
It's a gamba.
It's maganda.
Yeah. Oh,
What's
it's
that?
a big.
It's
It's for you.
No.
It's for me.
Yeah, that's for you. Wow. Who gave you those clothes?
Daddy,
And
Grandma,
and
Grandpa,
and
Granny,
Uncle.
Uncle.
Wow.
A shirt.
A shirt again.
Yeah.
Lots of shirts.
Yeah. It's a pajama.
Wow.
For me.
It's for you. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
pant. Fits on you?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's for me.
Wow.
Many pictures.
What's
A
the last?
pajama.
No, that's a
That's
skirt.
A bag.
Yeah, pants. What's the other one?
It's
The
a
last-
shirt.
Oh my gosh, what's the color of that shirt, Erin?
Pink.
Pink.
It's a Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
It's oh, it's so maganda.
Oh, it's so
The
maganda.
other one.
No more, baby. Say thank you to Grandma first. Thank you, Grandma. Sabi mo.
Grandma.
Say it again. Thank you.
Wow!
That's not for you. That's for Kuya.
Yeah, that's for me.
Alright. No, that's for Kuya. Don't open it. That's for Kuya. Don't open Kuya's present. Open Mama's present. Okay? Say bye. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Love you.
I love you. Open.
Kiss.